Hey everyone, it's Jeff from Sunland Water Gardens, and today I wanted to show everyone how to replace a UV light out of one of the Pond Max all-in-one filtration systems. And it's a really nice little filter. It's got a UV light built into it, and I just want to kind of help our customers learn how to open it up, replace the bulb. It needs to be done about once a year. So here we go. Alright guys, so the first thing we need to do is detach the fountainhead to it. So just simply thread that off. That comes off really easy. It's got 4 clamps, the blue clamps, 2 on one side, 2 on the other. So go ahead and unclamp both of those, or all 4 of them, and then the lid will come right off. Okay. Remove the filter pad off the top. And then what we have in here is we got the biomedia, and then we have the UV light and the pump. Okay, so what we want to do is change the light in the UV unit. So the first thing we want to do is take off the little Phillips screw. So you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and unthread that, and make sure you don't lose it because we will have to replace it at the end. Okay, and now we want to detach the pump from the UV light, and it's got a union there that you just want to unthread it. Okay, and now the UV light is loose. The UV light has a little locking clamp on the side. Okay, we want to unlock that. Once that is unlocked, we can take the quart sleeve and the body of the UV light off, and just simply twist about a quarter turn and then pull it straight out. Okay, that exposes the UV light, and this is a new light. Okay, but usually about once a year you want to change out the light bulb. So if it's an old one, go ahead and remove it, buy yourself a new light bulb for it. On the inside there's 2 prongs and like a clip in the middle. So once you have the new bulb, go ahead and install it. It's going to line up with the 2 prongs, and it's going to click into place. Real simple. If it's a new bulb, always use a nice rag. You don't want any fingerprints on them because it burns them out quicker. And then the quart sleeve, as you see here, it's got an O-ring on it. You make sure that O-ring is in place. Make sure it doesn't fall off. And there should be no water in here. It should be nice and dry. Okay. This thing also has a few little, I'd call them markers or clips or something there that are going to line up inside the body here. So when you put it into place, it's gonna go down, and then you're gonna do about a quarter turn and click it back into place. Okay. Make sure you relock the clamp. Okay, it's gonna sit back into place. If you've removed the pump here, the pump needs to be set back into place. That does come off, so make sure it's all cut together. It's gonna sit back in there. And then go ahead and thread on the union back to the UV light. Your indicator right here, this is an indicator for just be able to see your light glowing when it's on. That should be pointing straight up. Okay. And now let's install the screw back into place so the UV light doesn't bounce around. Okay, and now we're just going to put the filter pad back in. Filter pad's got a little hole for the indicator. That's the way it goes back on. Put your lid back on the top, indicator, light, and then the center post for the fountainhead right there, and then go ahead and just screw the fountainhead back on. Alright guys, simple, easy. Thanks for watching. I'll see you when you come in. Bye-bye.